Confused about the cosmos? Can't tell a planet from a star? Then give us just 5 minutes and we'll show you what they are. Jack Horkheimer, stargazer, tells you all about the night sky and the biggest show of all, the universe. And now, this week's episode.
Stars for Indian Summer. Hey there, stargazers. I'm Chris Trigg. This is that time of year when, across the middle and northern latitudes of the U.S., a strange and wonderful phenomena occurs. You see, even though the days and nights have been getting chillier and in some places the first frost may have occurred, nevertheless, out of nowhere, a few unseasonably warm golden days occur, days called Indian Summer. I've always looked forward to this last echo of summer, which seems to be a miniature season out of time and place. Indian Summer always seemed like summer's last hurrah, its last attempt to remind everyone of its wonder by sneaking into the cold days of autumn and bidding a final farewell. And just as summer seems to have a difficult time leaving, so too do some of the stars which dominated summer's nights. Let me show you. Okay, we've got our skies set up for any night in early October, an hour after sunset your local time. And if you look almost overhead, you'll see 3 brilliant stars, which, if we draw lines between them, would create a triangle traditionally called the summer triangle, and which, strangely, is still very high in the heavens after sunset throughout October. Now, the summer triangle is an asterism, a group of stars that you can use to form a mental image in the sky. And you might be asking, isn't an asterism the same as a constellation? Well, not really. There are 88 official constellations used by astronomers, and many of the star patterns in them are very faint and hard to make out. Constellations are really just divisions of the sky that astronomers made up. They're not all the same shape and not even the same size. Asterisms are often easier to find and identify. The summer triangle's brightest star is named Vega and belongs to the tiny constellation Lyra the Harp. The next brightest star is Altair in the constellation Aquila the Eagle, and the third brightest, Deneb, which marks the tail of Cygnus the Swan. The name Vega comes from an Arabic phrase describing it as a vulture, so all 3 of the stars in the summer triangle have a bird connection. These 3 stars are very different from our star, the Sun. Vega is twice as massive and better than 3 times the width of our Sun, and is producing almost 60 times the energy of our Sun. Much younger and hotter, Vega will burn out sooner than our Sun because it's consuming itself much faster. The light we see from Vega left about 25 years ago, which is why astronomers say Vega is 25 light years away. Altair is even closer, about 17 light years away, and like Vega, Altair is much hotter than our Sun. Although not quite as big as Vega, Altair is putting out 11 times as much energy as our Sun. The name Altair comes from an Arabic phrase meaning the swooping eagle. In fact, many of the star names we use today come from Arabic origins. Now let's turn to the dimmest of the 3, Deneb. And Deneb is a good case of what you see is not what you get. Deneb is a huge star, over 100 times the width of our Sun. If we could place Deneb where our Sun is, it would extend halfway out to Earth. Deneb is so far away that its light has been traveling for about 1,500 years to get here for you to see tonight. Deneb is putting out energy at over 50,000 times what the Sun is. The word Deneb is, again, from the Arabic, a word meaning tail, and is used as part of many star names, for example, Denebola, the tail of Leo the lion. Another special thing about the summer triangle that, unfortunately, most of the people in North America cannot take advantage of is that it straddles the Milky Way. The Milky Way is, under dark skies, what we see of our real home in space, the galaxy to which our Sun belongs. Most of us live in brightly lit urban areas that have so much wasted light thrown up into the night sky that many of us have never seen the real night sky. So, some night this month, perhaps on one of the evenings of Indian summer, go out just after sunset, look almost overhead, and focus on the summer triangle, Vega, Deneb, and Altair. What a wonderful adventure awaits you these autumn nights if you simply remember to keep looking up.
Make the Stars Your Own is available on DVD or VHS for $19.95. In addition, Stargazing with Jack Horkheimer, Cosmic Comics for the Skywatcher is also available for $19.95.